tiny, tiny bit of pepper. Now, molten sea salt is far better than the normal salt, the ground salt that you get. It's more natural. So we just let the pan warm up. I'm going to seal it on both sides. I'm going to pop it back into this small miniature oven, and I'm going to cook it at 175 degrees, probably for about 4 to 5 minutes. So again, we put the steak in. And all I want to do is just sear all the natural flavour in around. Again, it's not too high. We make soft smoke alarms, so don't worry. So again, just let it go around. Again, if I was using a ribeye, I would be using sirloin. The natural fats would melt down or render down, and you get some fantastic flavour. And that's why I didn't put a load of oil back in. We average out about 12,500 meals every day.
12,500 meals, ladies and gentlemen. I think that's worthy of a round of applause looking after all of that.
Now again, I just want to get natural colour all the way around, so I'm just going to pop the steak back on there. Again, as I said, if you wanted a nice peppercorn sauce with really, really thick, cook that peppercorns in through. Now what we can do with this sauce is we can either give, you know, little bar mixes that you have, you can either blend it at the end or else pass it through a sieve. So you take all the peppercorns out, so you've got a nice, creamy, smooth peppercorn sauce. Not everybody likes peppercorn, some people find they get stuck in their back teeth. Now again, if you didn't want to use steak, or fillet steak, use a chicken breast. And if you don't use chicken breast, use a pork fillet. Pork fillets are really, really good value. Get them trimmed off, and you can either get them stuffed or roll them in cooked pastry, do lots of different stuff with it. But again, this sauce works really well with chicken.
What have we got? What have we got next? Is the steak almost done?
Steak's almost done, so I'm just going to remove the steak. Put that back on. And there we go.
There we are, ladies and gentlemen. What a fantastic.
Now again, as I said, if you didn't want to use steak, use a chicken breast. Again, works equally as well. Right, gents. Little secret, so Saturday when you come home from football and you're starving and it's freezing, you say to wife, I fancy a steak. She goes, that's too long. You've seen it. 15 minutes.
Yeah.
It'll start to flow out straight away.
Remember, any questions, fire away at the chef and tell me.
So again, we've got that there. And the guys are just building it up. When you buy chocolate in the supermarket, you may find you get all these different chocolates and it says cocoa or cocoa powder. And you go to work with them. And as soon as you go to add cream to it, the cold air will hit the outside, the inside will be still warm, the chocolates and the fats will all split. All plenty over.
Looking good, and need the rose.
Right, when Leslie was doing that, just on your hand and on the sugar paste, and you work with a lot more flavour.
So that's taking shape now. Those this is incredible.
So again, on a Saturday or Sunday when you've got the grandkids around and you want to do something, get them playing with chocolate. Put the skin side down. So that's going to be our presentation side. Now again, these can be as big or as small as you like. And now look. Just get rid of the bullet, please. butter sauce on it. Drop the butter in. Yeah, I just want to get a nice bit of colour. That's it.
Just all this line where they roll it.
The scallops cook really quickly. That's 2 scallops. Got back in there. Again, this sauce, what we can do is we'll tap it through a fine sieve.